Was called out to this fault after a couple of days of rain. When I see these Mac electrical RCBOs, I'm always a little bit skeptical about whether it's a faulty breaker or it's water intrusion somewhere. Even though it was turning back on and there's power running through it, it's still worth an IR test. So I popped out the tails, ran an IR test on the active and neutral, and it was showing up 0.04. So obviously still a fault present on the line. So inside we went to pop off some power points. Every single power point I popped off, it seemed like the incoming cable still had that fault on it, and it didn't matter where I disconnected it. At this point, I figured there had to be a common junction somewhere, and it wasn't at any of these power points. So it looked like I was getting up in the roof. After a crawl around tracing out some cables, we found something pretty suspect underneath the entry for the AC equipment up in the ceiling. It looks like that hasn't been sealed up properly. You can see all the moisture on the timber there. It had gotten down into that junction box and down to the power point below. We moved the junction box and re-terminated it as much as possible. Went back to the board, did a quick IR test. Everything was tested clear, 1.3, 1.4, put it all back together. We've now sent through a quote for those 4 unprotected circuits on the left-hand side of the board. Customer's happy, power's working, and everything is safe.